Okay, let's make a trip. Oh, and we have suspicious extension detected. This is a constant error that a lot of people are getting on BullX right now because of Nova. BullX doesn't want people to use Nova because they use their fees, which means that BullX makes less money and you guys still want to use Nova. So I'm going to show you a method to get rid of this pop-up so you can still be enabled to use Nova whilst you are trading on BullX. Now, first of all, guys, to do this fix, go on to Chrome extensions on your Google search and type that in. Second of all, type in uBlock Origin. Once you're on there, guys, this is one with 40 million users, okay? So it's a verified extension. Add that to your Chrome or whatever browser you've got that you guys are using. And once you've done that, go onto your extensions, manage extensions, and you guys will see it here. Press details, press pin to toolbar. It might already be pinned at default. I'm not too sure on how your browser is set, but once you're back onto your Neo BullX on this page, just hover over to your uBlock and press it. Go onto your settings, go into my filters, and on here, I'm going to be putting in some code that's going to be recognizing the pop-up that comes up on BullX and completely blocking it so that we can consistently stay on the page without the pop-up appearing on our screen. So I'm going to paste that in there right now. This code will be in my Discord server, so go join down below or paste it manually if you want to, guys. Apply changes, which you guys will know. Remove this, and then press Ctrl R on your keyboard, and now let's see if it has been patched. There might be a little... Oh, yeah, there we go. All right. So that's how you fix basically Nova for BullX to consistently work. It will always work. It will never get patched. And also my Nova links are down below to use it. There is code GHOST that you guys can use. And if this helped you guys, drop a like and subscribe. It's really easy. And hope it guys helped you. Peace out.